Hello, we're back and we're talking about the first 3 days of school. Here's another activity from Dave Burgess, El Capitan of the Teach Like a Pirate crew. You'll find a link to a sample of this activity in the post, so check that out. This activity is not for average performers. Attempt at your own risk. You start by flying a plane around your classroom several times, weaving in and out of the desks or tables until you finally crash suddenly in the front of the room. Eventually you come to, and now you're a passenger swimming for your life. It appears your plane has crashed into the ocean. You swim towards the life raft. You inflate the life raft and begin calling for others, pulling them one by one into the life raft. Eventually you pass out for an awkwardly long period of time. Suddenly you awake, but you're on a mysterious island with the other passengers you rescued, and in the distance you can hear a sound. It's a helicopter. You shout with joy, and the others gather around, and the helicopter pilot lands on the beach. The pilot explains that they just flew through a bad storm and knocked out all his guidance equipment, and he'll never be able to find this island again. He can only take 5 passengers with him, but they need to leave now. You are the one who decides who stays and who goes. In my sample, you'll see 10 characters, each with different life circumstances that make leaving the island or staying on the island a very difficult decision. Students will work in their teams to decide who stays and who goes. As students debate their decisions, you walk the classroom and take moments to connect with kids, to discuss volume levels with groups, to discuss team dynamics, to discuss accountability, interdependence, discuss those classroom rules, those procedures. After enough time has passed, teams will begin sharing their decisions and defending their responses with vigor. This activity is awesome because it gives students a task with no wrong answer. The stakes are low, but we're encouraging participation in class, encouraging speaking, and defending their ideas. Whatever you do on your first 3 days, I hope you knock their socks off.